Welcome to the buzz, where the news comes alive. From the whispers of the streets to the tales untold. Join us on a journey, bold and bold. Buzzing headlines ringing through your day. Don't just watch it go, come on, hit play. Subscribe and like, join our buzzing crew. For stories so daring, honest and true. Dive into the depth where the facts unfold. Stories brave and bold, hot and cold. Engage, discuss, let your voice be heard. With every line of truth we shake the world. So tap that bell, get your news on track. 'Cause once you're here, there's no turning back. Buzzing headlines, always in the know. We're your beacon of truth in this world show.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Buzzing Headlines, the scoop on alleged news. Today, we're diving into a story that's as unconventional as it is captivating, the estate and last will of none other than O.J. Simpson. For those who might not be familiar, O.J. Simpson was a celebrated American football player turned controversial figure, largely due to his legal troubles which eclipsed his sports achievements. Despite being acquitted in the infamous double murder case of the mid-1990s, he was later found liable in a civil case brought by the victims' families. Fast forward to April 10, 2024, the world said goodbye to Simpson as he passed away from cancer. What makes this story particularly intriguing is the swiftness with which his last will and testament was filed, just 4 days after his death on April 14th in Clark County, Nevada. Typically, wills take weeks, if not months, to enter the probate process. But why the rush in this case? It turns out anyone with an interest in the estate could initiate the filing, likely a strategic move to preempt any disputes. Now let's get into the details of this atypical will. Unlike most, which directly distribute assets to family or loved ones, Simpson's will poured everything into the Orenthal Simpson Revocable Living Trust, established just months before his passing. This pour-over will is designed to bypass the lengthy and public probate process, allowing beneficiaries quicker and more private access to their inheritance. This strategy implies meticulous planning. Simpson's estate, despite its complexity and the high-profile nature of his life, was structured to minimize public scrutiny and potential creditor claims. This is particularly poignant considering the significant civil judgment still hanging over his estate, favoring the Goldman and Brown families. Another unusual aspect of Simpson's will is the inclusion of a poison pill provision, a clause designed to deter disputes by reducing the inheritance to a mere dollar for anyone who challenges the will. This clause suggests Simpson anticipated potential legal battles over his estate, an insight into his mindset and the advice he received. Malcolm Laverne, Simpson's attorney and the executor of his estate, has a considerable task ahead. Despite being a novice in estate execution, Laverne has pledged transparency and intends to involve the Goldman and Brown families in the estate proceedings. The true value of Simpson's estate remains undisclosed, but it's speculated that it won't cover the entirety of the $33.5 million civil judgment. As we reflect on this story, it's clear that Simpson's final arrangements were crafted with the same complexity that characterized his life. From the swift filing of his will to the strategic use of a trust and the protective measures against legal challenges, each decision highlights a deep awareness of his controversial legacy and the ongoing public fascination with his life and misdeeds. The story isn't just about a man's last will, it's a window into how legacies are shaped, not just by the lives individuals lead, but by the provisions they make for after they're gone. Thank you for tuning into this episode of Buzzing Headlines. If you found this deep dive as fascinating as I did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join the discussion below. What are your thoughts on O.J. Simpson's unconventional will? How do you think this will impact the ongoing legal battles over his estate? Stay tuned for more intriguing stories right here, where we bring you the scoop on what's buzzing in the world of alleged news. Until next time, keep buzzing.